is up? I'm on my way to Palmdale. I'm currently at 88,581 miles. And I'm running on E. Look, I literally have 0 miles. Fuck it, we ball, you know? We're about to hit the little gas station right here. I think I should just put like $5 just to make it to the E85 station. Since it is a Eflexfuel kit, I got it from Eflexfuel. They sent me a kit, had a shop install it, and so far it's been pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys the mileage on what realistically you're gonna be getting, and how simple it is to just save some money by getting the kit. I only put in like 1 gallon, so fuck it. We're gonna make it to the E85 station and go from there. So the E85 here is $2.99, but if you pay with card, it's about like $3.10 or $3.09. See how many miles or how many gallons this shit takes. Then we're gonna see how many miles it lasts. Then we're gonna go from there, and then on the way back, I'm gonna hit that 91 and see what we get there. So it's gonna be an interesting video. A lot of people say that fucking don't get E85, your gas is gonna be the same as 91. But what I've been noticing, even with city driving, shit, I'll get like 20 miles less, 30 miles less than a full tank at 91, and that's still pretty good considering that 91 and E85, that's like almost double. So what, you're getting fucking 10% of the gas mileage less for like about 40% of the price. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know what I'm saying. Yeah, we're gonna see the actual gas mileage compared to 91 and 85, and after this video, I hope it convinces you guys to go ahead and get a Eflexfuel kit. I'm gonna put their link in the description, so you guys could be able to get your own kit, have it sent out, have a shop install it. You can install it yourself. It's a pretty simple video that you can abide by. Some simple instructions that it comes with as well. Yeah, let's get it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm at 88,584, and I currently put 15 gallons at E85. So I'm gonna see what's up. Because I did put 1 gallon of 91. So I mean, it's a 16-gallon tank, so we're at a full tank now. So let's see what's up. I wanted to mention as well, I'm not really driving at a low speed too, because I'm gonna show you guys that it's good gas mileage even without, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna be fucking redlining it all the way, but I mean, obviously you're gonna lose some gas mileage if you're gassing it, revving it, you know, doing whatever at high RPMs. Like, you're gonna waste a lot of gas like that. But you don't get E85 to not fucking gas it, you know. Like, the whole point is for more power. So I mean, you get the Eflexfuel no tune like me right now and just save some money until you get a tune. But obviously when you get a tune, you're gonna end up using a lot more gas. So this is the viewpoint of a stock V8 on E85. If you're running a 4-cylinder, I'm sure you're gonna waste a lot less gas. 6-cylinder, same thing. Yeah. It's just, you know, cruising at like 80, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So I made it out here and I'm currently at 88,680 miles and I'm still at half a tank. So yeah, I guess you could say it's pretty fucking good. So yeah, I don't even need to fill up on 91 on the way back, but we'll see if I need to, but I'm already here, so yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm on my way home. I'm currently at 88,684 miles. Alright, and we're gonna see how many miles I'm at, how much gas I have left on my way back. Let's go to the trip fuel. It says I got 153, but I was like, shit, came from Orange County to Palmdale. We're gonna see what's up. So yeah, I'm at 88,800 miles. Yeah. So definitely some good gas mileage there on a full tank of E85 using my Eflexfuel kit. That shit is legit. Definitely recommend. Now there's gonna be another video once I'm tuned with some mods. Then we'll really see what kind of gas mileage we're gonna get. But then again, you know, you don't get a V8 on E85 modified up the wazoo and expect it to be rainbows and unicorns when it comes to miles per gallon. So yeah, in conclusion, I would say it'd be a good investment to get the Eflexfuel kit. Link in my bio. Thanks for watching.